I didn't make a troubleshooting video because there are already several. There's no point in reproducing what's already been done. The window on this Windstar 2003 Windstar van was jamming. It wouldn't go down on its own. You had to push down on it fairly vigorously in order to get it to go down. And it wouldn't come back up unless you pushed it all the way down, and then it would come back up. To get it started again, you'd have to take a screwdriver to get it started going down. It was a real problem. First, you'll want to remove this door panel. There's a screw down at the lower left here, at the lower right here, two screws at the door handle here, and there's a screw behind that back plate, that plastic part. Just snap it off with a screwdriver and you'll see it. Control switches just snap up out of the armrest, as you see. And of course at the door handle itself, that little cover snaps out too with a screwdriver. No screws necessary. You want to remove this vapor shield carefully. Don't tear it up. You'll want to put it back. You want to remove the speaker as well. Plug your wiring harness back into your control. This way you can operate the window. Make it go up and down. Check the motor. I've now exposed the window operator hardware, the 4 rivets that hold the operator mechanism in place, and the 1 nut that does that. I did not want to have to drill those rivets out in order to do this repair. So as a last resort, I decided to check the motor itself, located here. I've exposed the wires. It was getting current in both up and down modes, and there was no chattering, no grinding. The window would move, but very slowly, and it kept stalling. It would not complete its task. This is a close-up of the motor drive. You can see these 2 screws here and here. There's a 3rd screw on the other side of the motor casing. You can't see it here, but you can reach it, and it just takes a Phillips head screwdriver to take these screws out. Take them out and expose the motor. The armature and the commutator just came out by pulling them down and twisting them a little bit. The commutator, where the brushes make contact, were just filthy and black with dirt. I cleaned off the commutator. I reached up in there with a rag and cleaned out the brushes and reassembled it. I then checked it, and with a switch, and the window worked just fine. Put everything back together the way it came apart, and don't forget to be sure that this door lock post goes up through the hole that's provided for it. You don't want to put everything back together and then take it apart again to accomplish that. Don't forget this.